Hello friends, is your Apple Watch app icon missing on the home screen on Apple Watch? Let's fix this bug with two easy solutions. First, force restart your Apple Watch. To force restart, press and hold the side and digital crown buttons simultaneously. Hold them until you see the Apple logo on the screen. That's it. Wait for your Apple Watch to turn on. Enter your Apple Watch lock screen passcode and check if it's fixed. This should bring back the missing app icon. As you can see, my Apple Watch shows all app icons on the home screen. If this solution is not working, check for an update to watchOS or wait for the next watchOS update. Press the digital crown button to move on the Apple Watch home screen. Tap on the Settings app. Scroll to General Option and Software Update. Download and install the available watchOS update and check whether this solution is helpful. The third helpful solution is to unpair and pair App Watch. Unpair process will keep backup automatically, so don't worry about data loss. To do, open Watch app on your iPhone. Tap on All Watches option the top left corner and tap on I button next to Apple Watch name. Scroll to last and see Unpair Apple Watch option. Refer my separate video tutorial on how to unpair and pair Apple Watch. Again, confirm with the Apple ID password and unpair successfully. Now, pair it again. I hope this solution will help to fix the issue without any data loss. If you found this video helpful, don't miss to like, share, and subscribe for more new tech tips.